So today I'm not having a taste test because I do not want to be the next ones, with fish. One wrong move. Hello and thanks for stopping by. If you are a new subscriber, karibu to my kitchen space. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a little bit different, and no wonder you can see all this congestion happening here. And we are going to be preparing some coconut fish stew. And so without further ado, let's get into the video.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So let me start by introducing the ingredients and the tools that I'm going to be using. And the main star of this recipe is the fish that was well marinated, then deep fried. We have one rosemary. Onto this side we have pilipili hoho or capsicum. We have another stem of rosemary, coriander ama dania, tomato paste, cooking oil, one large onion, salt. This is coconut milk. This is also coconut milk, and a lemon. For our tools, I have a saucer plate, serviettes, a knife, a fork, and a spoon, so that you can differentiate between the two. Two saucers just in case, a chopping board. To this other side, I have my pan. I have a spatula. Here is a plastic spoon, a metallic spoon, another chopping board, and these two containers, I'm going to be using them as a bin because there is no behind the scenes today. So, and then hapa niko na vitambaa za kujipanguza mikono. So let's get started. So in today's recipe, we are keeping it very simple, and I'll start by organizing my kitchen space. These ones nazitumia kama dustbin because I cannot come with a dustbin right here. So I'll put them on this side, and this one will go with the total waste, and this one I'll put in my extra ingredients. Also, I'll get out my chopping board and I'll start by slicing my onion. Then for this onion, I'll slice the upper part and the lower part. Then I've already washed all these ingredients and they are very clean. So when you peel an onion, inakuanga hivi. And this side, kunakuanga na kakitu. So I go the extra mile and just remove this carving over here. And then naitupa. Ndivyo tukitoanisha onion zetu, the rings zote zinatokana. So I'll cut like that. Hapa katikati juu hapo ndipo panono, I'll slice a very thin layer. Hivi. And then nitatoa hizi za katikati utu tudogo. And then I'll put this aside. Then the remaining onion, I'll dice it into very small pieces. Then nitawasha jiko yangu and wait for it to get hot. Then today I'm also not using tomatoes because I'm using tomato paste, because tomato paste inakuanga na that deeper color. So we'll set this there. I'll add in about a tablespoon or 2 of cooking oil. Then I'll add in this here. So this is how I basically cook when I'm not on camera. So we'll saute our onions, and once they've started becoming golden brown, we'll go in with the tomato paste. I'll use about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. This is a plastic spoon that carries about 1 tablespoon. And so I'll add these two. Then hiyo nitaweka hapo. So what inspired me to do this particular video is my loyal fans who always check out a recipe and then they try it out, and they also ask some few questions which I thought I should make a very detailed video without behind the scenes, so that if at all kuna kitu wewe inakushangaza ama inakulemea, you can see it and you see how I go about it. So tutakoroga this tomato paste and then we'll let it cook for about 2 minutes. So the serviettes zilikuwa za kupanguza huku. Once I add tomato paste, for one reason or another, of which I do not know, kwa ina spill and zinachafua these tiles that are in here. So this was the purpose of the serviettes. Also today you can notice that I'm not having too many spices. We are just keeping the recipe very simple. So at this point, I'll show you how I separate my dania leaves and dania stems. So I'll show you how I separate my danias from my dania leaves and my dania stems, and this is how I do it. I first select the healthy ones zenye ziko na matawi poa poa, then ninaziweka hivi kando. Hizo ndizo nitatumia kwa dania leaves. Then for the dania stems, this is just how I do it. I'll add in the stems. And then I'll go in with my coconut milk, the one that is diluted. Yes. And I'll also go in with this other coconut milk that ni version ya enye kwa inauzwa kwa supermarket, and I'll add in a generous amount. So I've explained these two types of coconut milks. I've explained these two types of coconut milks in my previous post, in my previous video I mean. And then so we'll cook this for about 3 minutes hadi sauce ianze kushikana. I think I'll add this kiasi tena. I'll cook this on low heat, and I'll also add my salt. And I'll also add in my rosemary. So for rosemary, I do not like it when you buy the rosemary, so huwa naiweka ikiwa hivi mzima mzima, ndivyo mwishowe nitaweza kuitoa. And then I'll let this simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, let me clean up this mess and remove whatever we have already used. It's about 2 minutes. Now this sauce is doing quite okay. So I want to start working on my leaves, and these are separate. Alafu whatever I'm doing is separate. So hizi ni za kugarnish. What I do is unachukua one healthy stem with healthy leaves, then unafanya hivyo, unazipili, alafu unaziweka hivyo kando, then this tunaongeza hapo, then you take another one, do the same. Because tukigarnish, we do not want to chew raw things na ni ngumu ngumu. So these are the dania leaves. Na tunazivuta tu hivyo. So that's it for the dania leaves. Na nitaziweka hapa. These ones will use them for garnishing. Also this rosemary, I'll use it for garnishing. These onions too, I'll use them for garnishing. And so hizi juu dania stems are already cooking, I think hizi tutazidispose too.
As you can see, the leek has already started to thicken.
So as you can see, the paste has already started to thicken, and it's at this point that I'll go in with my fish. Hii fish ilikuwa imemarinatiwa vizuri, alafu ikakuwa deep fried. So we are just tunaipika tu ndivyo ipate joto hadi ndani, because it was frozen, but then nime defrost, so ni kama tu kuipasha tu joto, and then iingie ma flavors. Then for this other leaves zenye ziko na stems, I'll just finely chop them. As small as I can, and then nitaziweka hapa kando. So for those wondering mbona leo situmii hoho, you can just normalize in your house. Sio kila kitu inawekwa hoho, inawekwa dania ukipika. There's something that you should do a little bit different. So for this hoho pia nakata the center part juu hapo ndipo pamenona. So I'll go in like that, then I'll separate hivo, then I'll cut a very big piece, and this is how I want it. Then hii tutaitumia next time kupika. So I'll come in and I'll remove these whitish parts. And meanwhile, let's check on our fish. So this one, hii ilikuwa ya kufanya hii kazi juu kamwiko kangu hakawezi scoop, so we'll just cook like this. And remember, at this entire time moto yetu iko on low. Then this is the reason why I used tomato paste badala ya nyanya. You see, it's very rich in color right now. So for our fish, iko very fragile pia at this point. So hatutaki kuigeuza ovyo ovyo. So we'll soak hadi the tail. Then we clean as we go. So hizi tunaziweka huku kando. Then for this ones, hii ndo natumia ku garnish. So you should normalize, sio kila kitu naeka hoho juu ni spice, and we'll cut very thin circles, as thin as you can. Hivyo. Then for this one, I'll just cut a big one because today I'm serving mine with ugali na si lazima tukule hoho. So I guess that's it. So kuna one very fat one, kuna this other one that is medium, then kuna utu tudogo. Hizi tutatumia ku garnish. And yeah, so we can put this na huko nyuma, hizo tutatumia siku nyingine. And then haka ka lemon msikakaoni hivi. I bought this lemon for 40 shillings. Yeah. Hivyo ndivyo maisha iko ngumu huku. So I guess now I can overturn my fish. Alafu unashikilia fish katikati. What? This is the trick. Unashikilia fish katikati, and this is the trickiest part. Oof. We try again. Yeah. Ebola. Tumemanage. Then tutaacha the down part shike moto pia, and then tutaigeuza sasa so that we can serve, because as you can see this hii imefinywa sana na pan na the weight. So we'll just do it for about 30 seconds ndivyo hiyo side nyingine pia isikae hivi, so that we can have a good presentation. So watu wa kasupu, leo sio hiyo siku. So at this point our fish is very ready. And then now nitanyunyuzia this dania zenye tulikuwa tumechop chop, not the stems. I mean not the leaves. And then our fish is ready. So tutazima hivyo. And then now we'll plate. And yeah. So I have my plate, nitaipanguza. Halafu nitaiset hapa kando. And disclaimer, mimi sijaienda any cooking class, so however I present my dish today, hivyo ndivyo iko. So lemon inasaidianga kutoa tu harufu ya samaki. If at all you've been wondering why lemons hutumika, all I know is that zinatumikanga kutoa harufu ya samaki. That's it for this week's video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Also, share with your friend, share your thoughts, share your comments and your suggestions down in the suggestion box. And I'll see you in my next one. So today I'm not having a taste test because I do not want to be the next one. You know with fish, one wrong move and the next one. So bye.